Hey guys, I'm out here. I'm gonna zero my 1022. I got the 16 power scope on here. I'm gonna walk up here at about 25 yards, take an offhand shot, get myself on paper. I'm gonna fine tune that adjustment, and then we're gonna go back here to 60 yards. We're gonna shoot from there under cover, prone, to finish the groups for sighting in at 60 yards. So when I'm said and done, this will be a 40 grain bullet, sighted in, standard velocity, match grade ammo, at 60 yards. All right, check it out. All right, so that shot wasn't too far off. I made my adjustments. Now we're gonna go back here, shoot from 60. There we go. Going hot. We are level, and we're on at 60. Let's see if this gets better as I. Oh yeah. All right, here we go. I'm gonna shoot a group of 5. Actually, I'm gonna shoot a group of 3. Nice and level here. Here we go. I'm gonna shoot at the left side. I think there's no holes over there. Alright, I'm shooting at the left side. I believe it's number 8, the one on the outside of the black. Here we go. Alright, let's go see what we got out of that. Guys, it's really cold out here, but work has to be done. I want to move scopes around from rifle to rifle, stuff like that. You gotta do your work, make sure it's sighted in. So I was aiming here at the number 8. Shot 3 shots, hit right there. That was my sighter shot from 25. Put a piece of paper in it so I wouldn't get distracted. So I got to come over about, I don't know, maybe a half inch, quarter inch to the right, and I'm gonna come down about 5 inches because I do want it to be about a half inch high at 60 yards. All right. Okay. So looking through my scope, down 2, and come down 2 in my, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. I'm gonna go 15 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'll do 16. And then to the right, I'm gonna go 2 clicks right. I'll do 3 for good measure. Slap it for good luck, baby. What's going on here with my freaking phone? There we go. Sorry about that. Here we go. Shooting the next group. We're level. I'm shooting another group shot, another 3-shot group. We're gonna go for the right side, number 8, just like I did the left side. Alright, let's go see what we got. Okay, I still got enough at least for another 3-round shot group. Let's go see what we got here. I really took my time and controlled my breathing during that string of fires, so it should be a lot tighter of a group, especially it being my second shot group out here today with no dry fire. So it always helps to get that first bug out of your system, you know what I'm saying? See what we got. Should be a lot closer. Oh yeah, much better. Group tightened up significantly. You got 1, 2, 3, smaller than my thumbnail, closer to my pinky nail. Literally half the size of that group. So we're gonna come left. Probably, I'll do 3. I'm gonna come to the left 1 click and maybe down 1. See what that does. I'll shoot at the 9, 1 shot. No. YouTube police, don't judge me on loading my rifle before adjusting. I'm on a private range here. Alright, so I was aiming here, got there. I need to go. I'm going to try 2 clicks left. I'm going to go 2 down. Shoot a group of 3 at that 9. I overcorrected what I said earlier on purpose because I want to do the difference if this is a little off. I am going to do a 3-shot group again. Do a final 5 in the center when I'm done with this. Alright. I did yank that first shot, but if 2 were good, 1's not so good, I don't know which one that was. Let's check it out. Yeah, so there's 2 and there's 1. That's the one I said I thought I yanked, so maybe I'll go 1 click left. The elevation is perfect. That's exactly what I want at 60. So let's go 1 click left. Maybe put me right here. Since I pulled that shot, we'll shoot at the X and we'll see what we get. Actually, I'm just gonna go 1 left, so I'm gonna put that back. Now I'm gonna shoot 5 at the center at the X. Let's see what we get. I'm trying to make all my shots count this time. So I jacked up the first one in the last group. It would help if I had a bag. I'm using my hand, see this? And it's not flat like it's supposed to be. I'm having to use muscle to hold this rear up. And that's never a good thing when trying to zero. I'm not supposed to use muscle, but at least it's not in my firing hand. Alright, I got my heart rate under control now. We're going to send 5 at the center, at the X. See where we hit. Do have a slight right to left wind, but I got a lot of cover here on my right side, so I should be alright. Okay, here we go. let's see what we got. And yes, this is a lot of shooting for zeroing a rifle, but it's 22. Get some practice for the fundamentals in while I'm at it. I love shooting that gun. It's just as accurate at 50 yards as my my precision build is, so I think that's pretty cool. Gives me a lot of time behind the trigger for a little bit of money. Alright, so we opened up a little bit there. Not sure why. Those three are rock solid, man. That's great. I'm actually going to shoot one more group at this one. I have to because of that. I have to make sure I get some really good rounds, you know, where I want them to be, so I can rule out shooter error or whatever. So I'm going to shoot one more group of three at this number 8 right here. Alright, here we go. Final grouping. I didn't make any adjustments after that. This is the final grouping right here. We're either going to verify our zero is good, or there's 2 shots off to the left, we're wind or not. We're going to figure that out right now, because we do have a right to left wind. Alright, here we go. Heart rate's a little high right now because I'm fat. Gotta let that die down. Alright, we're good. We're level and going hot. I just shot at the 9. I gotta remember that. I didn't shoot at the 8. Feel the wind's picking up. Fucked that one up bad. Yeah, there's gonna be one that's off. I yanked that one shot. It's getting dark, guys. Getting dark. These little numbers are getting hard to see. I got old eyes, you know what I'm saying? Getting fucking old. Well, anyways, so what I'm doing this for is I plan on doing a fox hunt in a couple days. We're gonna be hunting in that field over there. We're gonna be hunting in that field over there. I want to take my 22 out at night, and I average 60-yard shots in that field every time I hunt in that field. So zeroing at 60 is my favorite zero for the 22 anyways. And I plan on taking a headshot at that guy. Alright, here we go. Alright, so it turns out I didn't yank that one. I got a nice little 3-shot group here, a little to the left. I do have a right to left wind though, coming from that way. You can see it in the smoke. See it's blowing towards me. So I'm gonna leave that right where it is. It's about exactly half an inch high, which is what I want at 60 yards. So we're gonna call this good, man. Oh yeah, and I want to get the ammo that I'm using on the video for record, but I will probably forget to do that. Here's what I'm shooting. Can you see me? Lapua Centerax 40 grain round nose. That's standard velocity, match ammunition. I'm always shooting targets with this anyways, and when I am shooting anything else, it's literally small game and it's headshots. So I love this stuff. Also, guys, forgot to mention, if you want to see what's in this build right here, this rifle, what I've done to it, you need to go to my YouTube channel, my long form channel. Check out my Ruger 1022 review, or I forget what I label it, but it's on there. It's posted not too long ago. I break down everything that's on this rifle. The only thing that's changed, obviously because of my zeroing today, the only thing that's changed is that right there at a bubble level and the scope itself. All right, I don't know what I'm going to do with the scope that I had on this, but I wanted to get this ready to take some headshots on fox and woodchucks. So there's something going on in the road up there. Anyways, so I want to try to do a fox hunt with this before the season's over, and then in the springtime I'm going to be using this for woodchucks for headshots. So that's my reasoning with that. It'll get a lot more use off this rifle than it will my other one anyways. So all right, anyways, peace.